Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Day and you're cooking a turkey in the oven. Except all of a sudden, your sink is clogged. No problem, we'll be able to help you out with that. Just call Capital Plumbing. However, if you got any escaped North American kangaroos, please don't call me because I'm tired of it. Real sick and tired of those buggers. Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Crikey, I really hope those North American kangaroos don't mess with us again. That'd be a real bugger. Just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.